All right, language explorers. So let's look at today's Thursday adverbs. So long, long, oops, something extensive that lasts a lot of time. It is a long road. I will write a long book. We have a long path to walk. They will wait a long time. Definitely, yeah. Yeah. Do you see those long lights? All these long lights here, do you see them? Yeah. Those long lights are an effect, or an effect from the camera. No, it's an effect. It's an effect from the camera, what the camera can do. Yeah. Yeah. The shutter exposure. Yeah. It is a long beach. Yeah. Very good. I walked down the long route. Yes. We have a long route to walk down, so we better get started now. Yeah. We're making a lot of long metal beams. These long metal beams. Yes. I have a collection of long pens. Long pens to write with. Yes. Yeah. We will see those long shows tomorrow. Long shows tomorrow, yeah. Those might be some strange and long, I don't know, books that I will read, yeah. How cool is that? Yeah, long, strange books. Yes. Yeah. So, long, something extensive that lasts a lot of time. Long light, long beams, a long road, long walk, long path, a long lesson. So, can you use long in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook, Telegram and Udemy when you search for English with Adrian or Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, how cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.